Name of the book Science. Total chapters 13. Contents are Chapter 1 Agricultural Practices, Chapter 2 Microorganisms, Trends and Foil, Chapter 3 Coal and Petroleum, Chapter 4 Combustion and Flame, Chapter 5 Conservation of Animal and Wildlife, Chapter 6 Reproduction in Animals, Chapter 7 Reaching the Age of Adolescence, Chapter 8 Force and Pressure, Chapter 9 Friction, Chapter 10 Sound, Chapter 11 Chemical Effects of Electric Current, Chapter 12 Some Natural Phenomena, Chapter 13 Light. Chapter 1 Crop Production and Management. Headlines are Basic Practices of Crop Production, Agricultural Implements, Preparation of Soil, Sowing, Seed Drill, Traditional Tool, Adding Manure and Fertilizer, Traditional Method of Irrigation, Modern Method of Irrigation, Protection from Weeds, Storage, Harvest, Food from Animals. Chapter 2 Microorganisms, Trends and Foil. Headlines are Microorganisms, Where do microorganisms live? Friendly microorganisms and us, Making of curd and bread, Commercial use of microorganisms, Medicinal use of microorganisms, Vaccine, Increase in soil fertility, Cleaning the environment. Harmful microorganisms, Diseases causing by microorganisms in humans, Diseases causing microorganisms in animals, Diseases causing microorganisms in plant, Food poisoning, Food preservation, Preservation by common salt, Preservation by sugar, Preservation by oil and vinegar, Heat and cold treatment, Storage and storage facility, Nitrogen fixation, Nitrogen cycle. Chapter 3 Coal and Petroleum. Headlines are Coal, a story of coal, coal tar, coal glass, coke, petroleum, refining petroleum, natural gas. Some natural resources are limited. Chapter 4 Combustion and Flame. Headlines are What is combustion? How do we control fire? Types of combustion, flame, structure of flame, fuel, efficiency of fuel. Burning fuel leads to harmful products. Chapter 5 Conservation of Forest and Wildlife. Headlines are Deforestation and its causes, consequences of deforestation, conservation of forest and wildlife, biosphere reserve, flora and fauna, endemic species, wildlife sanctuary, a red data book, migration, recycling of paper, afforestation. Chapter 6 Reproduction in Animals. Headlines are Modes of reproduction, sexual reproduction, male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ, fertilization, development of embryo, viviparous and oviparous animals, increasing in fertility, young ones to adults, asexual reproduction. Chapter 7 Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Headlines are Adolescence and Puberty, Changes at Puberty, Increase in height, Change in body shape, Voice change, Increased activity in sweat and sebaceous glands, Development of sex organs, Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Secondary sexual characters, Reproductive phase of life in humans, Hormones help in initiating reproductive organs. How is the sex of baby determined? Hormones other than sex hormones, role of hormones in completing the life history of insects and frogs, nutritional needs of adolescents, personal hygiene, physical exercise, say no to drugs. Chapter 8 Force and Pressure. Headlines are Force, a push or pull. Forces are due to an interaction, exploring forces. A force can change the state of an motion, a force can change the shape of object. Contact forces, muscular force, friction, non-contact forces, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, pressure exerted by liquid and gases, atmospheric pressure. Chapter 9 Friction. Headlines are Friction, factors affecting friction, increasing and reducing friction, friction a necessary evil, will reduce friction, fluid friction. Chapter 10 Sound. Headlines are Sound produced by vibrating body, sound produced by humans, sound needs a medium for propagation, we hear sound through our ears, amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration, loudness and pitch, audible and inaudible sounds, noise and music, noise pollution, harms of noise pollution, measures to limit noise pollution. Chapter 11 Chemical effects of electric current. Headlines are Do liquid conduct electricity? Chemical effects of electric current, electroplating. Chapter 12 Some natural phenomena headlines are lightning, the sparks that the Greeks knew about, charging, types of charges and their interaction, transfer of charge, lightning, a story of lightning, lightning safety, finding safety, do's and don'ts during a thunderstorm, earthquake, what is an earthquake, what causes an earthquake, protection against earthquake. Chapter 13 Light headlines are what makes things visible, laws of reflection, regular and diffuse light. Reflection light can be reflected again, multiple images, kaleidoscope, what is inside our eyes, care for the eyes, visually impaired persons can read and write, sunlight, white or colored.